In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can scan documents using the new Preview app on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, in order to do this, you are going to need to open up that Preview app on your phone. To do this, you could just swipe down and type in Preview, and it's going to open up an app that looks something like this. Now, there is a lot of stuff on here. What you're going to need to do is actually just tap on Scan Documents, and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Now, I don't technically have a document to scan in this video, but I am just going to scan this little YouTube thing right here. So essentially, just hover this over your document and then either hit that picture icon or it's going to automatically scan it for you, and boom, you will be good to go. Now, once that is scanned, just hit that checkbox up at the very top and that's going to keep your scan. And as you can see, this is a pretty cool scan of this YouTube box that was sent to me. But just like that, your document is going to be saved as a clean PDF file directly on your phone, and from here you can export it directly to your files. You can send it to someone else. It's completely up to you. Quick, simple, and built right in. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.